Yo everyone, so it's been a long time since I've done a vlog, so I'm out today. It's 30 degrees, I am sweating. It's a beautiful summer's day. We're in the middle of a heat wave in London. This country is in a fabulous mood. England beat Sweden yesterday. We're into the semi-finals. It's Pride weekend. I'm going into London, gonna have a great time. I just thought I'd share today with you guys, so I hope you guys enjoy. Where they're doing this exhibition from beginning of July to September called Scoop, something to do with ice cream. A wonderful world of ice cream. So it's basically the history of ice cream. You get to try different ice cream. It's hot, so it's a good time to try ice cream. Inside a freezer. It's amazing. Completely failed. Mine turned to water because you were only meant to put 4 ice cubes in. I tried to be smart but 7, and it was a mixture of vanilla and banana. So it's good fun anyway. I really like this place, it's so cool. This is meant to be glow-in-the-dark ice cream with some weird psychedelic music. This area is so beautiful. It's some sort of canal, look, all those boats. It's so bright I can't even see whether I'm in focus or not. So that was a very quick, different experience. I tried to show you guys the glow-in-the-dark ice cream, except it wasn't glowing in the dark, but it tasted nice. It was something different, something a little bit odd. Yeah, so I'm going to take a walk now and see what else is around. Fenty Beauty pop-up stand. It's their final day in King's Cross. I didn't actually really want the eyeshadow palette. I just wanted to go and swatch it and I wasn't really that impressed, but it's a really cute stand anyway. I'm going to platform 9 3/4. I've never been there before and I love Harry Potter. In case I didn't mention that already. You guys, I love Harry Potter, but I am not getting in that queue. No, I love Harry Potter, but I don't love you that much. So that's it for my quick little Sunday vlog for today. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me, just randomly mooching around London, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!